Good morning to all of you good folk on an Easter Sunday morning. A bit of a bimble down the coast today. Right, this is a new helmet with a new mic setup, so hopefully you're hearing me. It's with the visor down, so yeah, I've got an Adventure flip front helmet now, and already my tinted drop-down visor inside is steaming up. The actual visor itself with the pin lock is fine, and obviously the glasses are fine because they're coated with Zeiss. Oh, did I mention Zeiss? Really ought to be on commission with that, not really should. So yeah, I'm going to meet up with Steve. We're going to have a bimble down the coast, down past Lyme Regis, Seaton, Sidmouth, and I think, all being well, we're going to land up in Dawlish. Now, this is a gas leak. They've been trying to find it for God knows how long. You can stink it, but you can't. They can't seem to find it. So it looks like, looking at that lot, they're changing the lock. One thing I have noticed, I've not got my earplugs in, so I've put the speakers into the helmet and I've used like the spaces to bring the speakers out closer to my ears. That feels a hell of a lot tighter than when I'm wearing earplugs. But I do have to say the sound quality is incredible from these JBL speakers. So yeah, it does feel like it's pushing a bit on the sides of my head, but that's good. I'd sooner have it like that and able to break in, but of course you can hear so much more now without these earplugs in. You can hear that wind rush coming up through there, which a lot of people moan about. A 1300GS. Did he wave? Did he That was the IAMS lot.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
They never speak to no one, do they?
Oh no, one did wave.
Oh, right.
Yeah, one did
You
wave.
Sure? It wasn't a fly or a wasp or something getting near him, was it?
His mate might have been choking. He was getting ready to do the Heimlich manoeuvre or something.
Indicator.
Obviously didn't lean over enough to get the self-cancelling kicked in. This does well, the old milk shack there.
Yeah, I've noticed there's quite a few of those around the country now, isn't there?
Yeah.
It's sort of like a glorified honesty box, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, like he's going with his milk urn.
I'd be filling out that with beer. Indicator. That's twice.
2-0 to you.
Yeah.
Go on, he's got to pull it in. Yeah.
Stop moaning, Nigel. Give him a break.
You think he got one of the widest Vauxhall Astras in history?
Well, this is not a Jazz.
I'm going to buy one of them as my last retirement car. See what all the fuss is about.
I thought he was going to buy it and then just drive like a complete idiot to upset everyone.
Well, I always used to say to all the other crews, I said, when I get to the stage I've retired and can't really do a lot now, I'm going to sit in a chair. I'm going to throw myself on the floor. Sorry, what's a jazz? Throw myself on the floor and piss myself, shit myself, and shank nurse, just to get me home back.
Thing is, though, would you want these youngsters coming out to see to you?
No. You'd be able to say to them, oh look, I used to have a penis there.
You had to do what my granddad done, always left his slides open.
Indicator, Steve. 2-1. Do you know, that is so much better. I could see that push bike and car already.
Yeah.
Look at the size of that bastard's calf muscles.
It's because he keeps pushing up the hills.
I got big calves, but I got big thighs, big fat ass, big gut. He's doing 48 mile an hour.
no tax, no insurance, no MOT.
On my push bike, I came down over Gould's Hill at Upway at 52.
Did you?
Yeah. And that was on a GPS unit, and it recording it, so it was accurate.
Yeah. To be fair, if you got pulled over for that, you would have been proud of that, wouldn't you?
See, he was doing 35 on that push bike.
No, they don't speed. They're all abiding citizens, aren't they?
Stay there, chicken.
One grain of food on the road and he has to go and get it, doesn't he?
Yeah, I expect he's after the grit, isn't he?
Yeah.
Scooter! Mind that bus on the left, he's a bit keen to get out. Oh, always ruin a good bend.
Yeah.
Bloody hell. Oh, come on! You're in a BMW, you're supposed to be a lunatic.
I was having read the handbook.
It's part of the contract, isn't it? You've got to be a knob.
Oh, if you look through the BMW handbook, you'll actually know what it says terminology. Has it got hooning? Pulling donuts on a roundabout.
Hooning. This old field gun outside this person's house.
On field gun?
Yeah, on the left there.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh, I've done it again.
102.3.
What's it done now?
Hey, Cardo, radio off.
Radio off.
No, I reached to do me bloody sun visor and I put the radio on the Cardo. I said to Noob, did you watch Noob Biker's video where he fell off-roading?
No, I see he's got one on a Himalayan or something.
Yeah. But he fell off and he bent the handlebars up, so the right-hand handlebar was up here.
Oh, right.
And I said to him, were you riding like, did you look like Quasimodo riding it after that with your shoulder up here?
You're going to get banned, you know that, don't you? Get struck off for your comments again.
Yeah. Do you know if you write the word bitch, it comes up and says, are you sure you want to post that? It may violate YouTube's guidelines. So I thought, just out of interest, I removed the word bitch, and then I typed in, you're a fat nothing. Not a f***ing thing. So it'll let you put the word but it won't let you put the word bitch. Bonkers, that YouTube. Lovely old building, isn't it? What the fucking Jesus Christ. Thank you. Hey, Ala, every man's dream.
Oh,
A ride-on mower. I'd say I'm impressed with these peaks though. They don't really catch the wind or buffet your head around.
no, it's not like riding with your bike up, is it?
No.
And I must say, even with the visor up, because of the peak, it doesn't catch hardly any wind either. How is that mesh jacket? What have you got on underneath there?
I've got a sweatshirt and a t-shirt.
Alright, you've got plenty of layers in.
And I've stuck that yellow high-vis in there if I need to keep the wind off me tits.
Yeah.
I mean, at the moment, it's quite nice. I can feel the breeze caressing my nipples.
Now there's a vision I don't really want in my head. And I've got to share a room with you in September. I'll make sure I turn the aircon off.
Yeah, I tell you, there was 6 of us in them youth hostels, all in the same room, farting, belching, snoring. The blue ball.
Yeah. You know about the blue ball, don't you?
Yeah. The salty monk gets me.
It's the what?
The salty monk. Ooh, right in my ear hole. When we go up to the roundabout and hang a right, I don't know whether they're still there, but they have some carvings of otters on the left, or beavers. I think it's otters.
Right.
Yeah, just round this bend round the left. Woodley's Joinery. Yeah, they are. Oh, it's bears. I don't know, is it? Or is it
No, yeah, it's
beavers, bears? old swing bridge. Oh, I thought, oh, is the bridge going to swing? But it's not. It's just to let them across.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen this open.
Have you not?
No. Is that VFR?
Yeah. Sounded nice. She did the old
Yeah.
the old anchor inlet, sit right there on the estuary.
Better be on when the tide's up.
Yeah. Yeah, but it stinks sometimes when that's low.
Summertime, hot, wet seaweed, lovely.
Yeah, I like. He's read the BMW handbook, drivelikeabellend.com. See, the BMW's indicating, but you never know. He could be indicating right and they're going to dive off to the left.
Well, the car's got self-cancelling indicators as well.
No. Oh, Riley Elf. Or was it a Wolsey?
I don't know, but there's the same. Oh,
There you go. We're
lovely old turquoisey, greeny, horrible but nice colour.
right up his chuff now. Look. I bet you that building used to be a bank.
I bet you did. Now it's a bookies. It's either a bookies or a bar, isn't it?
Betfred. This is the most recognisable bit of Dawlish, isn't it?
Yeah. It's probably one of the shortest sort of like stream/shop promenades there is.
Yeah. As I say, all the way up through there, you got the water running down through.
That's right, yeah.
God, that VFR stinks.
Was it running rich?
Yeah, very.
Oh, my phone's disconnected. Oh, really? Literally, it's disconnected. I've lost all my sat nav and everything. My phone never disconnects.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
You going
Big
over?
crossing.
That's where we're going, left at that building there.
Right.
Oh.
Yeah, that is interesting. My phone has never done that before when it's full up.
Is there room? Fucking only room for one.
I'll fly up the end and see what I can see.
Yeah, I don't know if there's any more up there. Indicator, Steve.
3, 2.
Oh, duck. Can you ride tandem? Oh yeah, there he is. Oh look, he got signets. Yeah. I bet them ducks get their heads kicked in if they go anywhere near them signets. See the water wheel over there?
Yeah.
Oh, is that what you were pointing at? What they got in there then, all netted in? Great old bikes.
That's the one before they had like the leading link on the front, wasn't it?
He's still got telly lever, look.
Yeah.
So that's basically the telly lever there. Look, that one shock and then
Yeah, and then you just put
Forks
the
are
dampers
just,
on the fork. I reckon they handle quite well, don't they?
yeah, good old bikes they were. Isn't that what Steve's got? Extra rider Steve. He's got the 850R, hasn't he?
I think, yeah.
Without the screen. Without the screen. He's
Yeah.
got the bracket for the screen, but not...
And a lot cleaner.
Yeah. Marlin.
Is that the Alpha sign? Safety thing?
Oh, they're pretty, aren't they?